Welcome to another episode. This episode is going to be all about Singapore Art Week. In fact, the entire island right now is all about Singapore Art Week. There are like hundreds of events happening across theaters, exhibits, galleries, everywhere. And so many artists have collaborated on this for hosting these different events. They're in the form of installations or in the form of expressions, talk, performances, and just a display of art they're exhibiting. First of all, I love this brochure. What a piece of origami art. I mean, wow, like a display of all the events that are happening, where all it's happening. It's so descriptive, so precise, and such a clean design. I love it. Origami style done on it. Oh wow, like it's like a childhood dream of mine to figure something like this out. Oh, okay. So yes, follow along as I go and visit one of their biggest exhibit that happened last weekend, Art SG. It was huge. It happened at Sands Expo and Convention Center. Huge. So many artists displayed there, and I wish I could say, I visited Art SG so that you don't have to, but that's not true. The day you enter that space and get to experience it, it's gonna be a different. You're gonna take a different meaning out of that place for sure. Like every art piece that you engage with and spend more time with, you're gonna give a new definition to it, and that's gonna be your unique way of looking at that painting. And all you can get out of this blog is the fact that you have to put Art SG in your 2027 board bucket list for sure. And this is the season for art weeks. It's happening in Jaipur. It recently happened in Jodhpur. So if this inspires you to go to someplace nearby your hometown and go and experience it, I would be more than happy that you did that for me. Have the best day today. So good. Art exhibition almost fulfilled every fantasy of mine. And it was so extensive, I had to like take a break, and extremely overstimulating and overwhelming for me. So I might as well thought that I'll go there again, and it'll be a good opportunity to explore it a lot more. So yeah, probably there's gonna be another day. The exhibition is live till 27th, so I might take another day out and explore this more. There are like 2 floors of it, so I could only explore the basement, but I couldn't even fathom to go to the level 1. It's huge, it's humongous, but also beyond my expectations. Like wow, what people and artists are doing at every level, and the kind of mediums that they're using. It's not just canvas, it's not just steel, it's not just oil. A lot of things. Yeah, quite inspiring, honestly. And now I'm just sitting with this view and taking a break. So there's an art week happening, and just like in Jaipur, it happens at a lot of different places. So one major art exhibition is here for 2 days, and this was the day 1 of it. I'm just building my taste at the moment and exploring new visuals, new mediums, which was really important for me, because I for the longest time felt like I am in a bubble and I'm not exploring my creativity as much. So yeah, this is building in public. Signing out for this episode. Thank you so much for watching.